Are you looking for the best Chromebooks under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best Chromebooks under $300. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Lenovo 3i. There are only a few Chromebooks under $300 that tick the boxes of a solid Chromebook, and the Lenovo 3i is one of them. Despite the low price tag, this Chromebook is powerful enough to help you push through everyday tasks smoothly. The Lenovo 3i features the Intel Celeron N4500 processor, which can handle basic tasks smoothly. On top of that, it is equipped with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM for smooth operations and 64GB of storage. These will be more than enough, but you might have to get an external hard drive if you're planning to store plenty of data. For the display, the Lenovo 3i features a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with narrow bezels. The display's brightness peaks at 300 nits, which makes it somewhat usable outdoors. When it comes to battery, the Chromebook can last for up to 10 hours after a single charge. The touchpad is also large, and there is also a numpad alongside the keyboard. All in all, the Lenovo 3i is one of the best Chromebooks you can find for under $300. Top performance, sleek design, experience smooth multitasking and speedy performance with the Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook, perfect for work or play on the go. Powerful processing, the Intel Celeron N4500 processor's impressive capabilities ensure seamless operation and swift responsiveness. Vivid visuals with immersive clarity, vibrant visuals on the 15.6-inch FHD 1920 by 1080 display deliver crisp images and sharp details for an enhanced visual experience. Number 2. Acer 2025 Chromebook. If you're looking for the best touchscreen Chromebook, look no further than the Acer 2025 Chromebook. This one comes packed with decent hardware that is enough for basic tasks and features a long battery life as well. For the processor, we have the Intel Celeron N4020. It comes with 2 cores and 2 threads, with a burst frequency of 2.80 Hz. Even though the core and thread count may seem too low, it can handle everyday tasks pretty well. For the RAM, the Acer 2023 Chromebook features 4GB of DDR4 RAM, which can handle multiple programs. This is paired with 64GB eMMC storage. Coming down to the display, this Chromebook has a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen display. The screen also has an anti-glare coating, which reduces the amount of both direct and ambient light that hits your screen, thus making it usable in bright settings. In terms of battery, the Acer 2023 Chromebook can last for 12+ hours, something which makes it worth every single penny. First place metal 15.6-inch FHD 1080p IPS touchscreen 15.6 Full HD 1920 by 1080 widescreen IPS LED backlit multi-touch display boasts impressive color and clarity, anti-glare energy-efficient LED screen for home, student, professionals, small business, school education and commercial enterprise, online class, Google Classroom, remote learning, Zoom ready. Number 3. Samsung Plus V2 2-in-1. We think that the Samsung Plus V2 is currently the best 2-in-1 Chromebook under $300. This comes with a relatively smaller display but is excellent for those who are a fan of a 2-in-1 laptop. The Samsung Plus V2 is powered by the Intel Celeron 3965Y, which features 2 cores and threads with a base frequency of 1.50 GHz. For storage, we have 64GB eMMC and 4GB RAM for fast processing speeds. The laptop also has a decent keyboard, but there is no numpad due to its size. For visuals, like some of the best mini laptops, we have a 12.2-inch LED with a sharp 1920 by 1200 resolution. It features 300 nits of brightness and an aspect ratio of 16:10. The battery life is also great, as it can last up to 10 hours, depending on how you use it. 15.6-inch FHD LED display. The business and leisure activities will undoubtedly benefit from the mesmerizing clarity and brilliance. The energy-efficient LED screen ensures comfortable viewing, enhancing your visual experience to the fullest. Number 4. HP Chromebook 2025. If you're a student and have been on the hunt for the best Chromebook under $300, we'd suggest you go with the HP Chromebook 2025. This Chromebook has been designed while keeping the needs of students in mind, such as a great battery life and a stunning display. The HP Chromebook 2025 can last for up to 14 hours after a single charge, meaning that you can use it for a whole day without worrying about plugging the charger in. In case you want a Windows laptop with a great battery life, check out our top picks for the best battery life laptops. Powering the HP Chromebook is the Intel Celeron N4120 processor, which is good enough to help you get basic tasks done smoothly. For the RAM and storage, we have 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM paired with 64GB eMMC storage. The display is another feature of this Chromebook which makes it worth getting. It comes in the form of a 14-inch HD screen with anti-glare coating, which reflects light and allows you to use the laptop in bright light settings. Overall, if you're a student, the HP Chromebook 2023 is the best choice. HP Chromebook 14-inch Chromebooks for Students features 14-inch HD IPS display with narrow bezel, boasts impressive color and clarity for presenting vibrant, crisp images. Google Chromebook, student laptop with thousands of apps, built-in protection, and cloud backups. It is secure, fast, up-to-date, versatile and simple. Fast bootloader, 4GB RAM memory for powerful processing for multitasking, computing, smooth gaming. 64GB eMMC storage offers quick boot ups, fast data access, and improves the overall performance.